Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to transfer money from Wise to TokTokWallet. And if you want to do that, the first thing that you need to know is, first of all, you need to create an account by yourselves, and then after that, verify your account. Because then we can start. And from now, we click right here on send. And then what we're going to do is we search for the Philippines. There we go. Because not every country has the option to do the e-wallet transfer. So keep that one in mind. Then we do right here 100 euros, and that is 7k in the Philippines. And then we click right here on add recipient, and then we click here on e-wallet. Then you need to decide for yourself if you want to transfer money to yourself or to someone else. So let's do, for example, someone else. And then we fill in right here their email. So that is very important to do. Then after that, we fill in right here the full name of the account holder. That is also very important. And then we select right here the TokTokWallet. So we scroll down and there we go, TokTokWallet. Then we fill in right here the recipient's e-wallet number. This is a very important part, so make sure that everything is correct right here. And then we fill in right here the city from that person. And then after that, we select continue. Then he will send you to the review page. I don't have a TokTokWallet, so I can't do this. But he will send you to this review page where you check all your details and do the steps right there. And then after that, do continue again. And then he will send you to the pay page. And then you transferred your money. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.